Dave Porter with Vouch Video. If you're at home looking for a landscape design, looking for a patio builder in Bucks County, Montgomery County, Mercer County, really Philadelphia, Delaware County, I could not be standing with a better industry pro. I'm standing with Chris from Architectural Concrete and Design. Chris, you're an award-winning designer and installer of patios. As one of the top patio builders throughout the tri-state area, tell me what it takes to pull off an award-winning patio design. Stamped concrete really has its benefits from a price standpoint, as well as design. Tell me about that.
The design is limitless. I mean, we have a team of designers that when you call our office, the first interaction you'll have with an employee of ACD is you'll have a designer come to your home. They'll show you pictures, they'll show you ideas, they'll interview you and figure out what it is that will really suit your home. They will come up with a drawing, review that with you. As long as everything's okay, the guys will schedule the job to be built. It's a 3-step process. We come out one day, we excavate the soils, we put the forms in, put the stone sub-base in. The next process is the next day or a day or two later will be the pour crew. The crew will come out, concrete trucks will show up, they'll pour the concrete, they'll color the concrete, texture the concrete, pull the forms off. It'll be a finished job, but it'll still be covered in a powder residue, which is one of the colors in the process. When that crew leaves, it'll be a 3-day gap. The next crew will come back, pressure wash the surface, detail it, make sure it looks exactly the way it's supposed to with adding colors, smoothing edges, that sort of thing. It'll be a complete job that day. It's a 3-step process: setup, pour, and seal. But it can't be done in a continual motion. There needs to be time to hydrate in between.
You make sure it's installed properly and done right. Every step of the way, the care and the detail is there. I want to read a couple things to you. All crews were extremely professional, courteous, and punctual. ACD did a terrific job for us, and we would recommend them highly. How much did that mean to you?
It's everything. I mean, that's what we stand for. We want communication, and we want to manage expectations. It's easy to go online and write a negative review. For people to go online and put positive stuff there, you got to be doing something really right.
Absolutely, and that's why we're so proud to be recommending your services. It's not just residential. You do take on some larger commercial projects as well, but at the end of the day, ACD is there with the same detailed professional staff. I've also come to learn most of your guys 10+ years experience, foremen with over 20 years experience.
The same crews that go to do hospital jobs, restaurants, hotels, apartment complexes, shopping malls, intersections, heavy highway DOT work, the exact same crews, the exact same people will be the ones in your yard doing the exact same process that's used on those high exposure jobs.
No job's too big or small. You do walkways, you do all types of jobs, right?
Yeah, one of my favorite projects is driveways. We're standing on a driveway now that resembles cobblestone. We can put multiple colors in here. It really looks like cobblestone. It'll wear like cobblestone. The surface is as hard and as durable as cobblestone. We use color hardeners, which bring up the surface strength to 7,000 to 8,000 PSI abrasion resistance, which is equal to that of the stone. We actually used real cobblestone for the curbing on this job, and you can barely tell the difference between the real and the artificial.
If you're looking for really a pro to help you with that backyard landscape and put in that perfect apron around a pool, right? You could not have a better team on your side. Thanks again, Chris.